was having 158 paintings along in the roof. You'll see as you walk along, depicting scenes of Lucerne's history and promoting the Catholic Church. It's very Catholic Switzerland, and well, Lucerne especially. So do walk along there at one point whilst we're here. No, you can leave your backpacks on board. Just take what you need for the next sort of hour and a bit. Okay, we're getting dropped off. What's on your left? See that shop there that says Booker? We just have to go up and do a U-turn.
Oh God.
Come back down again. But yeah, just take what you need for the next round or so. You don't feel you need to drag stuff around in the rain. Just coat, money, camera, umbrella if you've got one.